Hi everyone, I'm Allison, a Senior Project Coordinator in Fortrea's Project Coordinator Academy. Let me share a tale of connectivity and support. As you step into our academy, you'll soon realize the profound significance of our web of support. It's not merely a network, it's the cornerstone of our community and our culture. With countless colleagues willing to extend a helping hand, we harness the power of collective wisdom. Together, we navigate complexities, fuel growth, and expedite the delivery of life-saving treatments to those in need. My advice to you, embrace this web wholeheartedly. Imagine being enveloped in an environment where the boundaries of your role blur and the possibilities expand exponentially. Through the guidance of seasoned mentors and illuminating presentations, we're bestowed with a wealth of knowledge about the intricate tapestry of clinical research. This newfound insight, coupled with the collaborative environment at Fortrea, empowers us to take bold strides. Personally, I found myself emboldened to seek new challenges, to claim a seat at the table, and to excel in areas previously uncharted. As I reflect upon my journey within the Project Coordinator Academy, one truth shines bright: the power of personal narrative. Here, amidst a symphony of support and empowerment, we're handed the pen to write our own tales of triumph. The Project Coordinator Academy isn't merely a destination, it's an environment for transformation, a place where dreams take flight and success knows no bounds. Welcome to a realm where the ordinary is transcended and greatness is within reach. Your journey begins now.